Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my yet another video. Today, guys, I just want to show you that you can cook 6 or 10 chapatis at a go. And now I'm going to do 5 chapatis, as you see. Guys, I'm not going to show you the whole process of cooking. Just go to my channel, watch the process I usually use to make chapatis. But this one, I want to show you how you can make 5 chapatis or 6 chapatis at a go. So let's do this. Already I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So you apply the one on top with oil like this. Then check the one at the bottom whether it was cooked. You turn it like that. So easy, guys. This one is already fried. Now we need to put oil on this side. My chapatis, I don't put a lot of oil. Just make sure you spread all over. Then we turn again. Look at that. Now this one, because already it's cooked, you turn like that. This side is not cooked. Then you can use your hands to turn. You see that, guys? Then you apply oil on this side. Then we turn. Look at that, nice. Nice, guys. Perfect. So what? We apply oil. Turn it. This one is already cooked, so we do that. We remove that one. So here we press. Then we apply oil on this one. And the bottom one is cooked. Well cooked, so nice. Then you press. Already 2 chapatis are cooked, remaining with 3. So easy. Let it cook. Then this one we have turned, so it's ready. And the last one, guys. So we apply our oil, spread, and that is our last one. So let's do the next bunch as you watch. So we roll as usual. This one we put on the pan like that. Then we go to the next one. Remember, we are doing 5. This one you fry like that without oil, just the 2 sides, then you remove. Number 2, the second one, just like that, and remove. You go on until you achieve what you want. If you want to cook 5 at a go, 5. If it's 10, you can do even 100 at a go. So as we are doing 5, so let us just do that, then I will show you the next step. So here goes our 5 more chapatis. We repeat the process. So nice, perfecto. What do you do? So nice. You turn. You get an already cooked one, you press. You can use a board, paper, like that. What do you do here, guys? You apply oil. Wow, guys, cooking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20 chapatis at a go, guys. Look at that. Can you cook over 20 chapatis at a go? Bye bye for now. Try my recipe, guys. I love you so much. Adios amigos. Bye bye.